Whoa, look at that shiny white car cruising down the road. Looks like someone's having a good day.
Yup, but wait, something's sparking in the front tire.
Whoa, that car's wobbling like a jelly on a trampoline.
Oh no, that boy's looking at his phone while crossing the road. Ugh, he got hit.
That's exactly why you never use your phone while walking, especially on the road. Accidents can happen in a second.
Good thing help is on the way. The ambulance is here fast.
But kids, before crossing, look both ways and cross only at the zebra crossing.
And keep your phone in your pocket, eyes on the road, not on the screen.
Hope the doctors fix him up quick. This is why road safety isn't just a rule, it's a lifesaver.
Yeah, hope he learns his lesson.
And next time, let's save the scrolling for the sofa, not the sidewalk.
He's safe now, so you make sure to stay safe on the roads too.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP Learn and Fun.